Enjoy the view of this 2008 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Indulge your desire for the finest luxury and pulse-quickening performance in this distinctive S-Class. Meticulous craftsmanship unites with innovative tech, thrilling power, and groundbreaking engineering to bring you a spectacular automobile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, woodgrain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, premium sound system. Follow your heart's desire in this sublime S-Class. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.